Alright.
Stop wasting my bullet.
Yeah, stop wasting mine. Wait, listen to the noise that made.
I like it.
Dude, stop shooting random things.
Where did the other one? Stalin's bunker? Hunter, are we going to Stalin's bunker or what? I don't want to steal gold, I just want to shoot people that want the
I'm
gold.
gonna get on. I'm plugging back.
How do we?
Can I go?
What the fuck? What?
Yep. Good old Mauser. That's real close to our bank. That's almost pretty cheap. Yeah, it's 170. It's not bad. But now, there's two doors on the back. We're going with that. On the back, right left is where they're going to be coming from.
You like the dye mask, David?
I almost think it's just a lot of pressure on the doors.
Nope.
You're going that way?
Yep. Stalin's bunker. Oh wait, how many people are already going that way?
The three in the black were going to our bank.
Okay, we're going to the where the gold's at.
Okay.
We're gonna get in the bunkers.
And then the white bus.
Okay, we're gonna get in the bunkers in whatever the fuck above Stalin's bunker, whatever the fuck those are called. What's up? Oh, that's okay. Yeah, Benghazi, that's what it's called. I was hoping all three of you would snap your heads back.
It is, but the wires are crossing. Kind of. It'll work sometimes. I usually just push it. Oh, I mean the tap.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
Hmm.
That's pretty sick.
No, these the other way are crazy though. Like, there we go.
Yep, I like this one. I like this one. Ow! You're red? Okay, sorry. I thought you just said you were on my team. What the fuck? What the fuck? Upstairs. I'm right behind you. Is there anybody up here? Thank you. confused. Respawn and come with me. Huh?
They are aggressively attacking our shit.
Our bank?
Yeah. Not really aggressively, there's just one guy that like...
Okay.
Well, we can go to theirs.
Well, I want to show you something.
I got two defense kills. Let's go.
He's red, he's red. Red, red. Hunter. First of all, this is the staircase. You see
Holy
this.
fuck.
Come on. This is where I spent all of my last life. In fact, I never even died. I just got bored. Voila. Room number 1. Let's go this way first. This is the shitter. That's your staircase. Look at this big ass room. Right there's our spawn. Let's keep moving. In here. Roof access with a lock on it. And a dope ass closet.
Roof access with a lock on it.
Yep. Let's keep moving. And this is the final room. It appears that they might be wanting to do something in here.
Yeah, I think so.
I don't know what. But come on, it gets better. I couldn't figure out how the fuck
Wait,
these...
hold on.
Damn. I could not figure out how these kids kept getting in that one tower. It's right here. I never even seen these.
What the fuck?
So yeah, there's this. I spent this game exploring. Dude, hit him with the recline. Look at the tracer BBs explode on the glass.
Wow.
Hold on, let me get closer. Oh, they're being gay now.
I think I'm gonna play some Clash Royale real quick.
Bro, this guy. But yeah, I just wanted to show you this. This is fire.
Bro, we really out here in a room.
We really out here.
What a floor. We out here in a room.
Hold up.
I could probably safely take my dye mask off right now if I wanted to. I have to piss. I thought about using that toilet.
Are they counting down?
Huh?
What are they doing?
I don't know. Come on, let's go try and flank these guys. tethering right there? Okay. I try not to, but I heard you doing it, and I couldn't help but just let it eat back at you. What's up? Oh. Oh, fuck, we're a mob. Whew! I spent all of that game exploring. This fucking field's hard to navigate. Whew! I like that, Jake. You're not Jake. I thought you were Jake. Oh, I was looking for the red ref shirt.
Yeah, I'm really sweaty. I don't want to get it all in my ref hoodie, so I'm waiting for this to dry out, and then I'm going to put it back on.
Seems legit.